Every day, Grog missed the mammoth hunt because he never knew the time. Ooga booga! Grog noticed something strange. His shadow kept moving all day.
He stuck a big wooden pole into the ground and drew circles around its shadow.
Everyone cheered. Grog had invented the world's first clock. Then night came, and Grog stared at it for hours. My clock is broken! No, the sun went to sleep. Imagine living your whole life without fire. No cooking, no warmth, nothing. Everything was cold, and dinner tasted terrible. He picked up stone and threw at his hut. He saw spark, and he got idea. Then, two rocks accidentally smashed together.
Soon they cooked food, stayed warm, and everyone wanted to be friends. With the fire guy!
What should the cavemen invent next? The hut or toothbrush? Comment below.
One hungry caveman couldn't wait to eat his fresh meat. Whoops! Suddenly the meat slipped right into the fire. He thought dinner was ruined. After a few minutes, an amazing smell filled the air. He took one bite, and his eyes nearly popped out.
Soon, the whole village lined up for the world's first barbecue.
And that's how barbecue was born, because one clumsy caveman dropped dinner. Or maybe not. Meet Grog, the hungriest caveman in history.
Oh! This pizza is huge! How am I supposed to carry it home? Then Grog noticed a round stone rolling down a hill. Wait, that rock moves by itself?
Grog had the craziest idea in history. I'll put my pizza on top of it.
That sounds like a terrible idea. It actually worked! The world's first pizza delivery had begun! I'm a genius!
But Grog forgot one tiny thing.
Grog! Where are the brakes?
And that's how Grog accidentally invented the wheel. I lost my pizza, but I changed history.
Hey! Hey!
Yeah!
We can use those large stones outside to build a wall and block the rain.
Thousands of years ago, one caveman noticed something terrible. His breath could probably scare predators away.
Spotted something interesting. A little branch with soft fibers.
And turned it into a primitive toothbrush. For the first time, his teeth were clean, and his friends could finally breathe.
Hey, ha ha!
Try this. Aha!
Sometimes the smallest idea brings the biggest comfort.